has issued Tornado Watch number 349, effective until 3 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Greene, Harnett, Johnston, Nash, Wayne, and Wilson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather, radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Edgecombe County, northeastern Wilson County, until 1 p.m. At 12:31 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located near Farmville, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Edgecombe and northeastern Wilson counties, including the following locations: McLeesfield and Pine Tops. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Edgecombe and Wilson. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Raleigh, Wake Forest, Garner, Franklin, antenna located on the Fernal, Falls Lake, and Lake Wheeler. Also, portions of Crabtree Creek are running high, nearing flood stage of 12 feet at Old Wake Forest Road. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Grand Hill, and Wake. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Harnett County, Wake County, northwestern Johnston County, southeastern Durham County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near RDU International, or near Raleigh, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-size hail. Source: trained weather spotters reported trees down in Chatham County. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Wake Forest, Garner, Fuquay Varina, Clayton, Angier, RDU International, Apex, and Holly Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Harnett, Johnston, and Wake. radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnston, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Rowan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system.